Hey Shady Babes, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a YouTube intro using your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is download the app called Canva. If you already don't have it, you need to get it, especially if you're a business owner and make your own flyers. This comes in handy. So the first thing you want to do is search YouTube channel art. So a bunch of templates going to pop up, but we're going to click on blank because we're making ours from scratch. So the first thing you're going to do is choose a background color. I chose black because I know I'm the queen of shade, but you can choose whatever color you want. They have a bunch of default colors, as well as you can customize your own colors, or even if you have a picture that you want to put as a background, you can use it. So once you got your background together, we're going to go right into the text. I chose the text font Glow because I like how it looked, but they have other options, free options, and also options that you have to pay for. But once you download the subscription, it's all accessible to you. And I believe they have a free trial going on right now, so y'all want to get into that. But I chose Glow, which is free. Just look how that joint just be glowing. So I was trying to choose a color, well, green. The green that I wanted wasn't given, so I was trying to customize it. Wasn't given, so this is just me keep trying to customize it. But like I said, if you're a business owner, you need to get this app, especially if you make your own flyers and things like that. This app is really great. I definitely recommend it. So they do have default colors. You could customize your color. So once I figured out it wasn't giving what I was going to give, I just went to the next portion. So I decided to put Model Made Tay because that's what I go by on social media. And the next font I chose was Sparkle. Like I said, they got other fonts you could choose from, whatever floats your boat, but this is what I liked. So in the next line, I put the Shady Boss because that's my YouTube channel name. Because we're going to be talking about entrepreneur stuff and things of that nature. And I just need y'all to know who's the boss of the shady stuff. So I just put the color back to pink because I just for the sake of this video, I didn't want to keep stressing out trying to get this green that I wanted. I changed Shady Boss to white. So after you get your text together, we're going to go right into the pictures. So what you want to do is go to your uploads or your camera. Go into your library, choose the pictures that you want on your cover. Canva has this great part to them where you can remove the background if you pay for the subscription. But if you don't have it, don't worry. I got an app that does that too for free. I will put it in the description box. Check that out. But like I said, Canva does have it, the option if you pay for it. Look, just removes the background perfectly. Then you just position your picture how you want it. This one was already, background was already removed, so all you just had to just position it. This is pretty easy to do. It's all about positioning, writing, and knowing what colors you want to use, honestly. I tried to do 3 pictures, but I wasn't really feeling it. I still just wanted to see how it would look. Like I said, remove background, background remove, just like that. But I didn't like it, so I just deleted that picture. So the next thing I went ahead and did, I went back to text and I went to subheading because I wanted to add what my YouTube channel would be about. That part is optional. You don't have to put it, but I just put it just because I wanted people to know exactly what to expect from my channel. But like I said, you don't have to put this part, but you can. Yo, this is really simple. I did this under 15 minutes, if that. And to be honest, I think this one came out better than my first one. But let me know what y'all think in the comments. So I put lifestyle, fashion, and entrepreneurship. Like I said, you can put whatever your channel would be about. If it's gaming, Q&A, DIYs, how-tos, you just put that down there. Like I said, it's all about positioning and just knowing what colors you want to use. I changed the font to the font of it because I really didn't like that font. But yeah, that's how the first page came out. That's the first portion of the video. So now just to create another page, just swipe your phone over and it just will create a page. So this next part is how you do the phone part, the subscribe. So you want to go into elements on the app and search iPhone. A bunch of iPhones will pop up. They have free options and options that you have to pay for. But like I said, the first video I did, everything was free. I didn't pay for anything. This time around, it actually gave me a subscription trial. So that's why some things may be different than the first one. So what you want to do is go to your Instagram and screen record your page and you liking your pictures. Yes, that was me looking ratchet doing this video for y'all. But can't like a model 24/7. So once you have your screen recorded, you're going to go into your camera, upload the video, and position it inside the iPhone. Like I said, most of doing this is just positioning, knowing what colors you want to use and what you want to write. If you're a perfectionist like me, it may be a little time consuming. But like I said, I did this under 15 minutes. It wasn't too bad. So once you get it positioned the way that you want, I actually went back in and muted my videos because some of them I'm in there talking. Now next we're going to add the connect with me part. So like I said, go back into the text and choose the font that you want. I chose glow again, but I really wasn't feeling it. So I tried to go through the different fonts to see which one I like the best. Change the color because I wanted to be a little darker, but it wasn't giving that. The text wasn't giving either, so I went back, deleted it, and I just went back with sparkle. Can't go wrong with some sparkle, guys. But like I said, y'all can choose whatever font that floats your boat or goes for you. That's just the one I chose. So once you get it positioned where you want it, once you get it positioned to where you want it, I try to change the color again. So the next step is you're going to go back inside, click the plus, go back inside, and you're going to click elements. Once you get to elements, you're going to search Instagram logo. I chose my Twitter and Instagram because that's the main two things I be on. But they also do have TikTok, other apps that you can put up there for people to follow you on. But like I said, I just push Instagram and TikTok because that's what I usually be on. So once you get that position, you want to go back into text and write out your Instagram name. Like I said, my name is the same on almost all my social medias, which is Model Made Tay. So once you get that positioned, you want to just line it up. But like I was saying earlier, if you're a business owner and you make your own flyers and things of that nature, you need to get this app. Not even getting paid for this advertising, but this app really is the one. So right here, what I'm doing is taking the glow off the word. You could do that by going to effects. So I just took glow off, but they have different effects that you can use. And right there, I just duplicated because, like I said, my name is the same on all my social medias. Yours is different. You would just go back to text and type whatever your Instagram or Twitter name, TikTok name, Pinterest, whatever you use, you would just use that. So we're going to go back to elements because now we got to get that subscribe button. I'm spelling way off today. Sorry, guys. So once you look through the subscriptions button, like I said, they got a bunch of free ones and they also have ones that you pay for. Listen, I'm all about saving money. The first video I did, I didn't pay for anything. Everything was free. So once I put the subscription button, I seen that I didn't have enough space. So here's me just rearranging everything so I can make it fit. Like I said before, all this is about typing and positioning. So simple. So I went with this subscription. Cool. Move it down, move it up some. So now after I got done the 2 pages, I want to add animation. So that's what gets the pictures to move, the words to move, and you could choose between them. They got free ones and also ones you pay for. So I went with Tectonic. I liked how that one was moving, so I chose that one. It's an easier way for you to do this. Once you go to animation, you could click apply to all pages. When I first was doing this, I didn't see that option. So that's why I went to both pages and did the same exact thing. But you don't have to do that. We're going to work smarter, not harder, and just push apply to all pages. So now I'm going to audio. They got preset audios, but what I did was went to YouTube and searched non-copyrighted music, went on a website, converted that to download it, and uploaded that to Canva to use instrumental. Yeah, so this is me just viewing it to see if I like it. It's really simple. I wasn't really feeling the color of the words, like I said in the beginning. I was trying to get my palm tree green, but it wasn't given. So I went in there and tried again. You know, nothing beats a failure but a try. So once I got the green that I wanted, yes, I was satisfied. I was really satisfied. I personally think I like the second one better than the first one, but you guys let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys.